ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ 74 ನ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನಾನು ಮಂಗಳಗಟ್ಟಿ. ಧಾರವಾಡ ನಗರದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಅವಾರ್ಡ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಶ್ರೀ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಹಾಗೂ ಲಾಯನ್ಸ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಗ್ಯಾಲಕ್ಸಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಆಶ್ರಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರಾದ ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SY ಶೇಖ್ ಅವರ ನೇತೃತ್ವದಲ್ಲಿ ದಿನಾಂಕ 5/9/2023 ಮಂಗಳವಾರದಂದು ಶ್ರೀ ಧರ್ಮಸ್ಥಳ ಮಂಜುನಾಥೇಶ್ವರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತು ಟೆಕ್ನಾಲಜಿ ಧಾರವಾಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ಅಂಗವಾಗಿ ಹಮ್ಮಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಡಿ ಲಕ್ಕಮ್ಮನವರ್, ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೆಮಿಸ್ಟ್ರಿ, SDMCET ಧಾರವಾಡ ಅವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಆಗಮಿಸಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಅವರ ಭಾವಚಿತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಪುಷ್ಪಾರ್ಪಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ಉದ್ಘಾಟಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ವಪಲ್ಲಿ ರಾಧಾಕೃಷ್ಣನ್ ಅವರ ಜೀವನ ಚರಿತ್ರೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬೆಳಕು ಚೆಲ್ಲಿದರು. ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ K. ಗೋಪಿನಾಥ್, ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್, SDM ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ ಇವರು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷತೆಯನ್ನು ವಹಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ AG ಬುಜುರ್ಗೆ, ರಿಟೈರ್ಡ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್, ಲಯನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಾಸುದೇವ್ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ, PRO ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಅಟ್ SDMCET, ಲಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ವಿ ಗುಡದನ್ನವರ್, ASSO ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್, ಅಂಜುಮನ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಲಯನ್ ವಿಶ್ವನಾಥ್ C. ಕಜಗಾರೆ, BSc M.Ed MPhil, ಲಯನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರಕಾಶ್ ಪವಾಡ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ, PhD ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಮೆಡಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ಯೋಗ ಟೀಚರ್, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ KR ಅಮೀನ್ಮಾವಿ, ಹೆಡ್ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಉರ್ದು ಮಾಡೆಲ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, TCW ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಶಬಾನಾ ಬೇಗಂ ಶೇಖ್, MATCH ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಉರ್ದು ಸ್ಕೂಲ್, TCW ಧಾರವಾಡ, ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಪಿರ್ಜಾದೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ, TCW ಧಾರವಾಡ ಇವರು ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದು ಇವರು ಅತಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡಿ ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ನಂತರ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಿಯೋನ್ ರಾಜೇಂದ್ರ ಮಠ್ ಹಾಗೂ ಯಾಸಿನ್ ಪಿರ್ಜಾದಿ ಇವರನ್ನು ಸನ್ಮಾನಿಸಿ ಗೌರವಿಸಲಾಯಿತು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀ ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SY ಶೇಖ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು ಅತಿಥಿಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದರು. ಶ್ರೀ ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ವಾಸುದೇವ್ ಪಾರ್ವತಿ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದರು. ಕೊನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶ್ರೀಮತಿ ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಹಿರೇಮಠ್ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು ವಂದಿಸಿದರು. ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ SY ಶೇಖ್ ಅಧ್ಯಕ್ಷರು, ಲಿಯಾನ್ ಜ್ಯೋತಿ ಹಿರೇಮಠ್ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿಗಳು, ಲಯನ್ NV ಬೆಣಗಿ ಖಜಾಂಚಿ, ಲಯನ್ ಬಸಂತಿ ಹಪ್ಪಳದ್, ಲಯನ್ ಗುಂಡಪ್ಪ ರಾಠೋಡ್, ಲಯನ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ದಂಡಪ್ ಗೌಡ್ರ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು.
ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ವೀರವಳ್ಳಿ and he is known as a strict disciplinarian and a very able administrator. We are very happy to have felicitation to our beloved principal secretary.
Yes, sir.
For the past almost 30 years and also Director of Education at VTU Belgaum. He was one of the very first PhDs in physical education, and that too from the very prestigious Lakshmi Bai National College of Physical Education, Gwalior. And he was known for his presence in national and international sports and sports bodies throughout India.
Sir, join, please.
He is working as associate professor in statistics at Anjuman College and PG Studies Center, Dharwad. He has published 69 research papers in national and international journals and has 29 years experience of teaching for statistics at UG and PG level. He has successfully guided 3 students for MPhil in statistics.
ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಬನ್ನಿರಿ ಹೊರ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸೈಡ್. ಹಾಂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀಟ್ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
And best ethicist award in Harvard City. So very happy to felicitate Srimati Shabana Sheikh.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ನಿಂತ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ತಡಿ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಅದು ಹಾಕಿ.
He is also an officer with the Home Guards in Dharwad district. And in 2022, the government of Karnataka has given him the Chief Minister's Gold Medal for his work with yoga. And he is a resource person at various different gatherings. We are very happy to honor Lion Prakash Pawar Shettar on this occasion.
ಸರ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ.
Parvati sir is a very dynamic person, just like a Mercury. Even though in his heavyweight, sir, very dynamic person. Sir is a PRO and student advisor at this college. Professor in Information Science and Engineering with 32 years. One more important, the Professor Vasudev Parvati sir is also holding a good post in the Lions Club Dharwad Galaxy. He is a member of Lions Club Dharwad Galaxy. Thank you.
ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಿ. ಎಸ್ ಮೇಡಮ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸರ್ ಒಂದು
Other media persons also please comment. Sir.
I salute you all. First of all, I would like to thank the respected principal of our college, Dr. Gopinath, and in collaboration with the Lions Club Dharwad, President and the Lions of that club, and all of you, I thank you all for giving me this opportunity to be as the chief guest of this function, that too, Teachers' Day celebration. You all know that first President of our country, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, he took the charge in the month of May 1950. In the year 1952, after 2 years of presidency of Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was elected as the Rajya Sabha member. Then immediately given the charge of a vice presidency of our country. When in the year 1952, he worked as first vice president of our country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad worked as the first president of our country. Dr. Rajendra Prasad worked as a president of this country for 2 tenures, say 1950 to 1962. 50 to 1962, 6 years each term. Then Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan took as first vice president of India, and he also served this nation for 2 terms, that is from 1950 to 1952 to 1962. Importance then only, otherwise it's not possible. He was the great educationist, great philosopher, wonderful personality, He worked as lecturer in our Maharaja College, Mysore. Then he worked as a professor in Mysore University, professor of philosophy. Then he worked educationist, wonderful educationist. Then, after becoming the second president of our country,
so having said that, you know, Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namaha. So indeed I am very happy and feel myself lucky to invoke the blessings of all my teachers in my life, starting from my mother. Right? She is the first teacher. My school teachers, probably PUC teachers, and B teachers, MTech teachers, and of course my guide from ITW. Right? Because of them, I am here today in front of you. Right? So according to me, right, a teacher can't be only a teacher who writes on a blackboard. No, that's not true. Right? He can't be a person writing in blackboard or using the latest technology in teaching, engineering college or medical college. A teacher is one who leads you in the right path to lead a good life. He may be anything, right? He may be anybody. He need not be even BA, he need not have even degree also, right? So one who takes you in a right path is treated as a guru, right? So in the Indian tradition, we had Gurukulas during those days. Remember, there was no BA, no MBBS, no BTech, but they taught you how to lead the life. That's very important, right? So life is not only human beings, right? We have animals, we have nature, right? We should live with them. So according to me, a person who judges himself with his environment properly is a better teacher. So having said that, today I received one beautiful WhatsApp message. I would like to read it. As a student, right? I have never taught him. He is a very prominent Congai leader in Dharwad. Right? Very prominent Congai leader. He has sent me that message. Yeah, he says very clearly, Sanskrit words for teacher is based on their unique abilities, and these are 6 phases or called it an evolution of a teacher. He says number 1, the teacher who gives you information is called Adhyapak. Just pass on the information is called as Adhyapak. The one who imparts knowledge along with information is called Upadhyay. The one who imparts skill is called Acharya. No, you know NEP, National Education Policy, it talks about skill only, right? And 4th one, he says, the one who is able to give deep insight into a subject is called as Pandit. And 5th one, he says, the one who has a visionary view on a subject and teaches you to think in that manner is called Dhrishta. And last one, he says, the one who is able to awaken the wisdom in you, leading you from darkness to light is called. Already I wanted to speak about Radhakrishnan. Dr. Lakshmanarav has already thrown quite a lot of light on his life. So with these few words, I take this opportunity to thank all the office bearers of Lions Club Dharwad Galaxy, especially Lion Dr. Sheikh Veswai, President, Lion Jyoti Hiramat Madam, Secretary, and Lion N.V. Benegi, Treasurer. And I am also happy that we have a galaxy of teachers here, right? Starting from Dr. Lakshmanarav, my old colleague in the for almost 30 years, and Dr. A.G. Bujurke, and of course Dr. Vasudev Parvati, and Dr. Nagaraj Budganavar, Vishwanath Kasgar sir, and Prakash Paul Shetty Yoga Guru, right? And Amin Goy Madam, and Shabana Sheikh Madam. So with these few words, I once again wholeheartedly thank Lions Club Dharwad.
ಒಂದು ಗಿಟಾರ್ ಇಟ್ಟರೆ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಸ್ ಸರ್